What is it here? You gonna build something?
Yeah. We even have these things.
Yeah, guys, these are just the things. So we understand
Jayden, what is your package, Jayden?
Mine is a soccer field, and
Soccer field?
and these are for so we know what they look like and we can build it.
Okay.
What? How do you have stickers?
Okay, you gotta have to follow the instructions there to build.
Yeah, guys.
Let's open this.
Guys, I need to do this. Hey.
Okay, this is what Chloe
Looks so
is
weird.
going to build.
Hey, you want to see mine, guys?
Hey, Jayden, to see yours. This is what Jayden going to build.
I'm gonna go ahead and put some. I'm gonna go ahead.
So you got first one is two of those pieces, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna play some stuff. Ooh.
Okay, I'm gonna help Chloe put the nails in first, okay?
You're gonna break the table.
No, I'm not gonna go through it. This one. And then... The next step, Chloe, you got that side piece,
Daddy, can we only do these ones?
and you gotta.
You gotta like put it.
Daddy,
Okay.
can we only
You see
do
right here,
these
hold that.
ones?
Let me help you with the nails, okay? Okay, one piece. What? This one?
Yeah.
This one go up here, right? All right, we can do the same thing there, okay? Okay, so you got that. Now you gotta flip it like that. Like this. Now you put a lid on there, right?
No, this
Okay.
is this
You got
is
4 nails going there?
yeah.
Do we need
Okay, why don't you
screwdriver?
put the nails in the holes and Daddy help you to nail it down, okay?
You need this. She need this.
No, we don't need that now, Jayden.
Okay.
That's good. I'll help you to nail it down.
Hope it doesn't fall down.
Yeah.
It's hard.
Okay, Chloe, what's next?
So
Put the back
we're gonna
on?
do the back right.
Like that? And this thing is what? Slide it out here?
lid.
Okay. Alright, let's go ahead and put the nails onto those holes, and then I'll nail it down for you, okay? You want you put them in place? Get it off. Put them in there and then... Okay, that's good. Okay, what's the other nail? Jayden, can you give me that, please?
Got the other one.
Okay. Okay.
I'm done.
Okay, you put a sticker on.
Yes.
You got a mirror down here too, right?
Yes. Look at this
Make it right in the middle, okay?
right there.
Yep, looks good.
What's up, Jayden Hart?
Yourself.
What's up, Jayden Hart?
What are
I
stickers?
don't know why I said Jayden Hart or something. now Chloe's gonna put those other stickers in there, which is like lipstick and combs and mirrors and another mirror and stuff. No, guys. No, you don't know. Wow. Look at these.
What else?
Got some stuff.
Last piece.
This is the best. I can't really take it.
Last piece, everyone. Wait, do I have that sticker too? Of course I
I think
do.
so.
I do have that
And
one.
shout out to the Home Depot for giving us these toys.
Cool.
Yeah, it's awesome. Thanks,
All right,
guys.
Jayden turn. Okay, Jayden, what you got here? You gonna
Guys,
do
you actually got shout out for them, and you know why you got a shout out for them? Because if you get one of their toys, you got a
So,
shout out for
You're
them.
gonna need 2 of these, and one.
Yes.
Give me the big one, the back board, the big one.
This one.
Yep.
I need color this green.
So we need that.
Come on. Guys, watch me put this in, everyone. Here I go.
Okay, we're gonna put these together. We need short nails right here. I think 4 total. Okay. These are tiny nails. Okay, 2 more. Okay, Jayden, so we have that things on. We need 2 shorter pieces,
Guys,
Jayden.
you know what's gonna
Can you
happen?
give me 2 of the small blocks right here?
These?
Yep.
This?
So we need, the 2 blocks right here. We need to
Guys,
put them in
I'm
here,
also
see?
gonna-
Okay, Jay, so we need, can you get me long nails for these? Yep.
This one?
4. We need 4 of those, okay? So we put these
1,
in here.
2, 3,
Put it here, baby.
4.
Okay.
And we have 2 more big ones.
Get these in, right? Now we need to put this blocks in here like this. Okay? That go in here like this. 1 on each side. Okay? Okay? Alright, help me to hold that so I can put the nails in for you, okay? These long one right here. Okay, Jayden, go ahead. Here. Yeah, nail that one now. Here, Jayden.
This one?
Hard.
So we have to put this
Okay.
and this.
We need
goes
this piece,
back
right?
Here.
Alright.
You will all push the
So we need to put
soccer
the
ball,
sticker
okay?
on first.
I do it by myself. That.
Okay. Alright, now we need to screw it in, okay?
It's good.
Yep.
Okay. Ready? Like that?
Yep.
Yeah.
Good job. Now, you gotta go in the middle.
Middle end. I'll put the orange.
Pretty much
piece.
you are done. Here's Chloe. She paints her
Not really.
a little bit. Pretty good.
Ah, but the orange deeper. I'm picking this. Start over here.
A lot of painting for you, Jayden.
Guys, I was struggling earlier. And now I took this out because I was struggling that I couldn't see. But I'm not blind though. Don't even think that I'm blind. Because I'm not blind. And I'm gonna do something to the camera. Guys, it's too long. I'm gonna use this for a while. This screen for a while. It might run out. So yeah. Guys, I ran out of this color and there's no more orange color, so I have to wait for a very long time for this orange and this red to come back.
Okay, guys, show me your final product.
Guys, so we're gonna hit this inside here so we don't lose it because it's also little. And you wanna watch me play it? Oh, whoa. Oh, yeah! It didn't score. Ready, Chloe? Oh no. Okay. Yeah!
Yeah, good job, guys.
And watch this, guys. Boom. That's so cool.